October 15th, 2024, save the date. It will be the last chance for many of you to comply and sleep like a baby, tax-wise, if you were a tax resident of Italy for fiscal year 2023. And if you have no idea if you were, if you have been, or if you just trust the 180 days rule and you think that what you heard, what you've read online, or what a friend told you about this case is enough, it's really time for you to do your due diligence right now. Whether you benefit from the 7% tax regime, regime impatriati, or you're just an average tax resident of Italy, remember that missing the deadline will throw all of your tax incentives out of the window. Even if you're eligible strictly by the rules, not showing up by October 15th will reverse and turn your nice Italian job into a nightmare, adding interest, penalties, and fines on a very impressive tax bill. Up to 15% of your foreign assets, up to 240% of your personal income tax liability, and interest for the delay is what you have to prepare for in case you want to gamble with deadlines, or in case you just think you can self-diagnose your tax residency status in Italy just by reading something online. By October 15th, you must file a very detailed tax summary to the Italian Revenue Agency, proving your personal income on a worldwide basis and your assets sitting all around the world, since the wealth tax is part of your fiscal obligations. Not taking care of foreign assets, investments, and source of income is a very common mistake because people think of Italy like Vegas. What happens in Italy stays in Italy. Well, not in this case. Bank statements, proof of your income, cryptocurrencies recap, rental income recap, expenses incurred in Italy and abroad that you can claim back, personal income tax identification number, as known as codice fiscale, your foreign tax return, if you already file taxes abroad in other country. This is just a very short list of everything you need to prepare for and get ready to go if you have to file your taxes in Italy. Unless you're an Italian citizen, unless you work for an Italian company or you retire for work under the Italian pension scheme, the INPS, you have to use the Modello Redditi tax form. And most of all, you must know exactly, what are your frameworks to be filled out, pages and boxes to fill out, since the Modello Redditi is made for everyone, from pensioners to multi-billion business owners. And just for the record, you cannot file your taxes jointly in Italy if you go with the Modello Redditi. And yes, a lot of people may say, get your SPID, S-P-A-D, and file your taxes online. Save a lot of money. But if it's your very first fiscal year in Italy as a tax resident, I highly recommend to ask for some help, some professional help, if you know what I mean. There are international tax firms, CAFs, commercialistas, whoever you like most, depending on your case and complexity. But those professionals are there for you to support the process and make sure the content of the tax firm is legit and aligned with your personal and fiscal details. If you generate money abroad, passive income, salaries, or business profits, or simply you're receiving a foreign pension, for example, please connect with someone really experienced and skilled in the dual taxation agreement application. Do you want to pay twice as much? I don't think so. Now, let's say that you're watching this video on October 10th and you cannot find anyone able to help you out in time, and time is running out. In this case, it will still be possible to comply with extra rules to follow in terms of different obligations and premium to pay to fix everything late. So yes, time is money on this matter. Please don't try to understand and read Italian taxes by using your own logic. You'll never win. And I'm going to show you why. For some reason, if you file an incomplete tax return by October 15th, and then you fix that later on, you will pay less than filing a perfect tax recap by January 1st. Now you have the date, a task list, and a reason to file. Just answer this question first. Have you been a tax resident of Italy for 2023?